With its space-saving corner placement, the Scudo S8 double-door quadrant shower enclosure maximizes your bathroom space without compromising on elegance. The double doors glide effortlessly with smooth sliding action, ensuring easy access while you glide into a realm of pure relaxation. Say goodbye to tedious cleaning routines. The treated glass is specially formulated to repel soap residue, dirt, and limescale, making maintenance a breeze. Plus, thanks to its soft, rounded shape, there's less glass to clean than in a square enclosure. Less time spent scrubbing means more time for self-care. Indulge yourself with the Scudo S8 double-door quadrant shower enclosure and convert every shower into a luxurious retreat. Experience a flawless blend of style and comfort for yourself. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo Shower Enclosure range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.